Hello friends, welcome again in the second session of English Talks. We hope this way of teaching is helping you for better understanding. Okay guys, so now let's move to the second session in which we will discuss about the pronoun, where and how it has used in English grammar. One thing you have to keep in mind before we start our second session, as we told you already that every session will be based on the previous session. Like in the previous session we had discussed about the nouns, and now today we are going to discuss about the pronoun, which is totally based on the noun session. Okay guys, so let's start. Here are the index of English grammar which we had already discussed with you. As per our index, we are going to start our second chapter, which is pronoun. Okay, so let's start now. Pronoun. Pronouns are small words that takes the place of noun. Pronouns बहुत ही छोटे वर्ड शब्द होते हैं जो कि noun की जगह लेते हैं. We can use a pronoun instead of a noun. हम noun की जगह पर pronouns को use कर सकते हैं. Pronouns are words like pronouns शब्द होते हैं जैसे कि he means वह, you means तुम, our means हमारा, themselves means खुद को, some कुछ, each प्रत्येक. If we didn't have pronouns, अगर हमारे पास pronouns नहीं होते, we would have to repeat a lot of nouns. हमें बहुत सारे nouns को repeat करना पड़ता. We would have to say things like, हमें चीज़ों को इस तरह से बोलना पड़ता. Does David like the president? क्या David president को like करता है? David doesn't like the president. David president को like नहीं करता है. The president is too pomp. President बहुत ही ज़्यादा भव्य है. Here you can see in this sentence, nouns are repeating again and again. Okay, let's first find out noun in this sentence. We have colored all the nouns. You can see David, president. David, president. These are nouns. Now what we are going to do? We are going to convert these nouns into pronouns, but the sentence will be the same. Does David like the president? क्या David president को like करता है? He doesn't like him. वह उन्हें like नहीं करता है. He is too pomp. वह बहुत ही ज़्यादा भव्य है. Now here you are seeing we use he in place of David and him in place of president. We have converted David into he and president into him, but the sentence are showing the same meaning. Okay, see the next example to understand this again. Mr. Ajay and Saurav are the manager of Levi's store. Mr. Ajay and Saurav Levi's store के manager हैं. But Ajay and Saurav don't pay attention to the store. But परंतु Ajay and Saurav store की तरफ ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. Again, here you can see nouns are repeating again. Now by using pronoun we can say the same sentence in this format. Mr. Ajay and Saurav are the manager of Levi's store. Mr. Ajay and Saurav Levi's store के manager हैं, but they don't pay attention to the store. परंतु वे attention नहीं देते हैं, ध्यान नहीं देते हैं store की तरफ. Okay, the next is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns have two forms, singular and plural. Before we discuss about this, we should know that we can talk only about three persons. We can talk about ourselves, which is called first person, or can talk to your front, as if I am talking to you, I am the first person for myself and you are second person for me. The same way, if we talk about someone else which is not present in that moment when conversation is going on, would be the third person. Okay, let's come back to the topic. Both singular and plural form is further classified into three categories. First is subjective, second objective, and the last one is possessive. Firstly, we will talk about subjective. What are subjectives? To begin the sentence, we are engaged in some words which we call a subjective. In the nouns, we could start the person name or place, but if we have to start the sentence by using pronoun, we will use these words as subjective. In singular form, we will use I as first person, you as second person, and he, she, it as third person in singular form. Now the same in plural form, we as first person and they as third person. Okay, if we talk about second category, objective. What is objective? Like, to begin the sentence, we require some words which is called subject. The same way, to end the sentence or to complete the sentence, at the end we require some words which is called objective. We use these words as objective. If we talk about singular form, me as first person, you as second person, him, her, it as third person. The same way in plural, we use us as first person, them as third person in objective. The same way, if we talk about third category, possessive. What is possessive? When we show some rights on something, that's called possessive. Like, you are watching this video in your mobile. You have rights on your mobile. You have possession on it. For showing possession, we use these words as possessive. My, mine, first person in singular form. Your, तुम्हारा, his, उसका as third person, her, its as third person. In the same way in plural, our, their, our as first person and their as third person. If you translate these possessive words into your native language, these words are showing itself possession. Possession means haq, right on something. My, mine, मेरा, your, तुम्हारा, his, उसका, our, हमारा, their, उसका. Okay, here are some examples we have given so you could understand where and how we use object, subject and possessive. I am playing with you. मैं तुम्हारे साथ खेल रहा हूँ. I means first person in singular form and you means second person in singular form as subjective. The same way, second example, they were coming to our college. वे हमारे कॉलेज में आ रहे थे. They means third person. We are talking about third person in plural form as subjective. Our means we are showing here possession. Our college, हमारा college. The next same, he was studying with them. वह उनके साथ पढ़ रहा था. He means third person. We are talking about someone else. He was studying with them. Them means उनके साथ. Objective. The next one is, this is my book. Here what the sentence is showing? This sentence is showing that we have possession on this book. This is my book. यह मेरी किताब है, मेरी book है. My means possessive as first person. We have used for ourselves, myself. I am using this word for myself. This is my book. The next one is, she is standing there outside the classroom. वह क्लासरूम के बाहर, वह वहाँ पर क्लासरूम के बाहर खड़ी है. She, we are talking again about someone else. She, third person as subjective. Standing there, वहाँ पर, there possessive. Third person. Outside the classroom, classroom के बाहर. We were playing with his ball. हम उसकी गेंद के साथ खेल रहे थे. Here we are talking about means a number of person. We are not talking about only myself. We are talking about a group of person, a group of friends. We were playing. हम खेल रहे थे with his ball. उसकी गेंद के साथ. His means third person as possessive means the ball we are playing have someone possession which is third person. Okay guys, hope you understand this. Here we have given some vocabulary which will be help you to understand some complicated words or some important words from this session. Instead of this, themselves, forms, objective, he, she, it, I, you, we, they, him, her, me, us, them, his, its, my, mine, your, our, their. Today's chapter was small, but this is very important chapter. Even every chapter is important. If you will miss any topic, you will stuck while you will start make sentences or you will start speaking. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet in next session along with next chapter. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Bye bye. See you.